worldly gain. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, your hearts are taken up with worldly gain from the cradle to the grave. But you shall know, you shall before long come to know. Indeed, if you knew the truth with certainty, you would see the fire of hell. You would see it with your very eyes. Then on that day you will be questioned about your joys. Now, we're not criticizing people for mere pleasure or desire or some passing thought or something. It's what choices they made with their beliefs and actions that perhaps led to some of that stuff, right? And we see this breakdown. People who are disbelievers or misbelievers. You got the people with belief, with faith, and the attainment of actual knowledge. But if the knowledge is forced on you per se when you can't make a choice, it's not going to be good for you.